Hey guys, this is Akash and welcome to your razer for Tech. In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of the Red Gear gaming mouse. The front of the mouse you will see the Red Gear branding, the mouse image, supports the 8 key and it also has 3200 DPI. So what is DPI? The higher a mouse DPI, the faster the cursor on your screen will move when you move the mouse. A mouse with a higher DPI setting detects and reacts to small movements. A higher DPI isn't always better. You don't want your mouse to fly all the way across the screen when you move your mouse a little bit. On the other hand, a high DPI setting helps you move, detect and respond to smaller moves, so you can point at things more accurately. High DPI mouse are more useful if you have a high resolution monitor. And the next, you can see the mouse supports both 3.0 and 2.0. And this site shows all the 8K's assignments. The mouse comes in 4 color variant and I bought the black variant. Here you can see that it supports Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, XP, or it also supports Apple Mac. So at the bottom you get the model name, the price which cost me 499 Indian rupee, country of origin which is China. Now let's start the unboxing. You get the mouse in the thermocol cover. So here is the mouse. So on the left side you will get the Red Gear branding and the right side the Dragonwar branding. Left and right key, the wheel, DPI key, and on the left you will get two more keys. At the bottom you again get the branding, the laser light. The USB also has the Dragonwar branding. The mouse cable length is 1.8 meters long with braided fiber cable. So that's all for the video. If you like the video, do like and subscribe and don't forget to share the video and please enjoy your life.